Hey guys, today we are going to be taking Yeti for a walk. This is my brother's dog. I am just dog sitting for him because he is in Texas. He's meeting up with some friends, but it's not really none of my business. Let's go walk Yeti. Okay, buddy, where do you want to go? Okay, I think he wants to go over here. Wait, since my grandma's over here, he wants to go over here. But today we've had him for one day. Uh, Today is just the second day. We have him for a week. Yay! I love this dog. He's an old dog, but I don't really care. He just hurt his leg the other day. I hope he feels better now. But yeah. And Zayden, my brother, my little brother, not my big brother. This is my big brother's dog. But my little brother, Zayden, which is at my house right now. If you're watching this, hi. Shout out to you, Zay. So, I won't. Yeti, no! No! Yeti, why? He was trying to eat poop. Love this giant tree. Ever since we moved here, I've been admiring that tree. It's really cool. Oh my gosh, look at Yeti. He's so cute. He's by some flowers. It's a perfect day to be outside. It's nice and cool, not too hot. But I am wearing jeans right now, which sucks. And yeah. Yeti, there's nothing coming out. But if you made it this far and you can comment a heart emoji. I don't care what color. Comment a heart emoji. And how is your day going so far? So guys, good morning, good afternoon, or good night, whichever one it is for you right now. So yeah. Why am I zooming in? Oh wait, yeah. I forgot. I found like a big giant ant or something. It looks like a carpenter ant or maybe a scorpion, but we don't have scorpions where we live. Yeti is so cute though. He's super cute. He's just an old man. A small little dog. He's a Pomeranian, but I think he might be a mix of something. Can somebody help me if he is a mix or something? Tell me what mix he is because I need to know. I've been dying to know for years, so please tell me. Anyways, let's go back up here. Back to my grandma. He really likes my grandma. Okay, I have to switch it to my grandma because he won't use the bathroom much because, he won't poop because, I wouldn't be that good to him, later on, but now I take it back because he pooped. Okay. But I was, 3 or something. Hey, Eddie, what are you doing? Why are you waiting here? Come here, dude. Yeti, come here. Yeti, yeah, Yeti, come here. I'm about to just come over there if you don't come. Okay, I'm just gonna head up. Okay, yeah. Mimi, if you go in, then he's gonna go in. Okay, see? Okay, whatever. I'm trying to walk him, but he probably wants to go inside. Yep, he's circling around. Why are you circling around, Yeti? You're so cute, but I don't understand you. Okay, he wants to go in. I'll let him in. He's so cute. Look at that face. Okay, you want in? Why are you going there? No, wrong door, wrong house. No, Yeti, wrong house, wrong door. We go upstairs. Go upstairs, dude. Okay, there we go. Okay, go back up. Okay. We're on the top floor. Ugh. Okay, come on. Okay, Yeti, come here. Come here. Okay, I'll just come to you because you're not... Gotta unclip him. He's just gonna fly on the bed. Yep, there he goes. He's so cute though.